Hello, my name is Chris Mowat, CAPINC Application Engineer, and today what I'd like to show you is how to use intelligent views in SOLIDWORKS Composer. Intelligent views are a little bit different than your standard views. Standard views usually capture just about everything about what you're looking at. Think of it as a still shot of something 3D. But in intelligent view you can record various things independently or together. For instance, a location of one of the components, the material, the opacity, a few other things that you can record specifically and not the other things that you would normally capture in a view. So the first thing you'd want to do is relocate some of these components. Do that using the transform tool, and what I want to do here is rotate the top lid so that it's in an open position, and I also want to record that position so that I can open and close the lid with intelligent views. I can launch my transform to rotate first, and I've actually gone ahead and made a selection set. I called it lid moving components. It consists of all of the components that will move relative to the rest of the grill as I open it. And if we take a closer look, what we have to do by holding the Alt key is find one of the central axis of the rotation. I can zoom out and show you now that we have control over the new angle of this lid. 45 looks good to me. And now we have the selection set still selected, and we have the geometry in its new rotated location. So I want to capture this, and I want to do that with an intelligent view. So go to Workshops in this instance, Views, and over on the right what we see here are the inputs for our views. We want to capture the actors, the active selected actors, and then we want to create a custom view with the properties of only the location, and hit create. Over on the left what it does is creates a view very similar to maybe a snapshot of a camera view or a regular view, but what we have now, although it looks the same, we'll record that as open. And then while the selection set is still enabled, what I can do is come back over to my transform and hit restore neutral position to get all this geometry back to where it started. The convenience is here that the selection set is always enabled, and I can come right back over to my already open Workshops tab and hit create one more time, again to capture the location of the actors. Those are the same actors because they were the same selection set. So now we can call this closed grill. I rotate around here just to get a better look, and now if I double click on intelligent view, grill, open, and closed. A great thing about intelligent views is that they hold regardless of the orientation. I can close this grill and open it from any direction. And if I use that in junction with a regular camera view, I can take snapshots to represent these as an open grill or a closed grill image. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching my video on how to use intelligent views with SOLIDWORKS Composer. My name is Chris Mowat, and thank you for listening.